o tout prevent à angové. Quel point. Yat sommeting fati origin carprior to drinking. More. Stick to one type of drink. Avoid mixing item. Ose light liquor. Goésie en cocktail, dark liquor, en sparkling wine. Drink a glass of water after alcoholic drink. Avoid calorie free mixer like die soda. Know your limit on stick to them. Before drinking. Yat sommeting. Comment lire referret to a soakage, yating sommeting before a night of moderate to heavy drinking definitely help to lessen effect of a hangover. In fact, the more you yat, the more time it will take for alcohol to affect you. Because food help to reduce the formation of acetaldehyde in your stomach, and it substance tied to the main cause of hangover. 1. Fatty, carbohydrate free food, such a pizza and pasta, are best for preventing hangover, a fat slow your body absorption of alcohol. 2. However, if you are trying to eat healthily, go for only fish that contain healthy fatty acids, such as salmon, trout and mackerel. 2. Take vitamin. Your body uses a lot of vitamin and nutrient when metabolizing alcohol, while alcohol itself destroy essential B vitamin. Depleted of those vitamin, your body has to keep wiping itself back into shape, leading to dreaded hangover. You can help your body live out by taking a vitamin supplement leading up to a major drinking event. For the most effective reçu, opt for B complex, B6 or B12 vitamin. 3. Vitamin B supplement can be found in most drugstore en supermarket, or you can increase your intake of B vitamin naturally by eating IV, meat animal product, such as milk and cheese. 4. Have a spoon of olive oil. Miema sunda little gross, bumani Mediterranean cultures where BT hangover prevention technique. Basically, it same principle a eating fatty food before drinking. The fat in olive oil will limit your body absorption of alcohol. So if you can stomach it, swallow a tablespoon of olive oil before you eat out a fortnight. 2. Alternatively, you can increase your intake of olive oil less directly by dipping some crusty bread into it, or drizzling it over a salad. Drink milk. Milk is often said to help prevent hangover as it form a cat lining of the stomach, which may help to limit amount of alcohol that is absorbed into your bloodstream. Will trilite le scientific evidence to back up the notion that milk help to prevent a hangover. There are many people WHO's wear beat method. If nothing else, milk is a healthy source of calcium and B vitamin, so drinking it can hurt. 2. Drinking sensibly. Stick with one type of alcohol. Mixing drink is your worst enemy when it comes to hangover. Because different alcohol contain various additives, flavoring, and hot elements which, when combined, can give you mote of al hangover as your body struggle to process everything at once. Ose beer or vodka or wine or rum, but whatever you do, don't have them all in on a night. Ose your drink can stick to it. Cocktails are particularly lethal, as they usually contain 2 or more alcohol mixed together. If you can resist the bright colorant in your umbrella, try to at least limit yourself to a maximum of 2 cosmopolitan. Ose light liquor. Dark liquor, like brandy, whiskey, bourbon and some tequila, have a concentration of toxins congénères, which are formed during the process of fermenting and distilling alcohol. The toxins can contribute to the severity of your hangover. So if you're going to drink that stuff, stick with light colored liquor like vodka and gin to lessen your intake of toxins. 3. Alternate alcoholic drink with water. Alcohol is a diuretic, which it make you urinate more, leading to dehydration. Dehydration is one of the major cause of hangover symptoms like thirst, dizziness and headache. Therefore, the more water you drink to hydrate before, during and after drinking, less severe your hangover is likely to be the next morning. 5. Have a big glass of water before you start drinking. Then try to drink a glass of water for every alcoholic drink that you have over the course of tonight. Your body will thank you for it in the morning. Drinking water in between alcoholic drink will also slow the speed of your alcohol consumption, preventing you from drinking too much too quickly. Avoid the mixer. Mixer sushadie le monade or die collar no agodida when you're drinking. Due to the fact that the mixer contain no sugar or calorie, we too wish alcohol shoot directly into the bloodstream. Sticking with the regular version of mixer keeps a calorie in your system, which should work in your favor once morning rolls around. 3. Even two regular mixer are better than the version, fruit juice y a better option than it. Juice ion carbonated. Which go down carbonated beverage increase the speed of alcohol absorption, will it also contain a certain amount of vitamin, which certainly do hurt. Be careful with champagne and sparkling wine. Champagne and sparkling wine can literally go straight to your head. Study have shown that the effect of bubble in alcohol increase the delivery of alcohol through your system and cause you to become intoxicated fast. 1. If you are even such a dinner you can resist a little bubble, try drinking just on a glass of champagne during the toast and drink a for alcohol for the rest of the evening. After drinking. Rehydrate. As mentioned above, dehydration is the main cause of hangover symptoms. To head off dehydration in advance, pour yourself a large glass of water as soon as you get home, and drink it all before going to bed. Also remember to bring a glass or bottle of water with you to leave on your nightstand and sip whenever you wake up through good night. You may need to get up to relieve yourself at 4 am but you'll feel better for it in the morning. The next morning, regardless of how you feel, drink a not big glass of water. Drink it at room temperature if water from the fridge is hot on your stomach. You can also rehydrate and replace lost electrolyte by drinking energy drink or coconut water. Flagging ale will help you to upset tummy, while orange juice will give you energy. Avoid caffeine the morning after drinking, as it will only dehydrate you further. If you absolutely need it, limit yourself to just 1 cup of coffee or have something less intense, like I said. Yet a good breakfast. A moderately healthy, but hearty breakfast after a night drinking can work wonder. The food will settle your stomach, will also giving you energy. Try some toast topped with a little butter and jam, or better yet, some scrambled egg. The toast will soak up in excess alcohol let in your stomach, while the egg contain protein and B vitamin perfect for replenishing your body natural resource. You should also eat fresh fruit to get the benefit of their vitamin and water content. If you want to go, try a fruit smoothie, healthy and satisfying. Sleep. When you go to bed drunk, your quality of sleep tonight typically is very good, leaving you feeling tired and groggy the next morning. After getting up, drinking some water and having some food, allow yourself to go back to bed for a nap, if possible. It will take your body several hours to metabolize alcohol, so you might have slept through a couple of them and hopefully you'll feel much better when you wake up. Distract yourself. The pain of a hangover can feel much worse if you just see around in it. It might be too, but force yourself to get up, get dressed and go outside for some fresh air. A stroll around the park or a walk along the beach might be just what you need. If it sounds like too much work, try watching a movie, doing some reading or call a friend so you can piece together exactly what happened last night. Some people even advocate exercise agree a hangover cure, so if you're up for it, try breaking into a run and sweating out the toxin. No fort faint of fear. Take a couple of painkillers. If you're really hurting, try taking a couple of painkillers such as aspirin or ibuprofen to ease the pain. Always take those pills in the morning, Raté tante night before when you still have alcohol in your system. Alcohol is already agglutinated, ante pinquier will only tin your blood even furte, which can be dangerous. Never acetaminophen base pill when you have alcohol in your system, a mixing those two substances can be very dangerous. 7. Trier of dog. If all else fail, you can treat the monored tradition of curing hangover with more alcohol, a practice also referred to hair of dog. Bloody Mary, cocktail made with vodka and tomato juice, are a popular choice and are often drunk with breakfast the morning after heavy night drinking. Drinking the next day can have the effect of making you feel better. Remember your body will have to metabolize a lot of alcohol in your system at some point, so drinking more is simply prolonging the pain of recovery. Warning. Remember, never drink and drive. In a question of whether you are legally intoxicated, is a question of whether or not it is safe to drive when you have consumed a moins of alcohol. Research shows un permebogie long before a person reaches the blood alcohol concentration level necessary to be guilty of drunken driving. Never combine Tylenol, paracetamol, or other brand of acetaminophen with alcohol because the damage to your liver can be severe. Take aspirin if you must take a painkiller. Just because you've taken preventative steps, ta de un you on get drunk. Always drink responsibly. Alveria de label en vitamin or en IoT drug, especially health warning, to ensure that there will be no adverse side effect when mixed with alcohol. Be careful when consuming alcohol and caffeine. Too much caffeine mixed with too much alcohol can lead to a severe, and possibly fatal, increase in RTBA. Using chase or en IoT congené blocking drug de no prevent individual from getting drunk. Te only prevent or lessen effect of a hangover.